Hello everyone, so today we've got this. I've just recently picked up all the dirt that I need. My Dyson, yeah, it is all dirty. Do you see? My new ball Dyson is still brand new. Look, it's got dirt on it. Ew, yes. Look at that, guys. It is dirty. It is. So I'm going to give this a really rinse with hot soapy water. Then I'm going to, oh dear. Oh, I'm going to remove the brockets and the Dyson small ball allergy. So it's easier. This is dirty. It has a lot of bins, crumbs. So it is bin. So unfortunately it's just a bin. Okay, so I just came in the bathroom. It's got an awful lot of smell. Okay, it is pretty dirty. Look at that. It got a lot of flour, but it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna have to get the nice animal version that I need to buy. I'm gonna get the animal version. So I'm gonna get, because I want the animal one. So because this one never picked it up. Look, it is pretty old. It is dirty. Oh dear. So you can get a Dyson for a lot of money. Oh dear. Have to, you see, it's dirt. Ah, awful. That sounds awful. A lot of dirt. I'm gonna have to use this as this. It is sound dirty. It's looking a lot dirty. Oh dear. You have to wash. I'm gonna give you guys a runny water. So I'm going to wash to get rid of all the dirt off. Wash it with runny water. It's nice and hot. It is very dirty, unfortunately. So I'm going to get some soap. Then we'll leave it to dry for an hour. So it is very dirty. Okay, this is this very small sink And I've said we need to get rid of all the black dirt. So now we need to put these bursts of water. I'll take the camera with me. It is my hand just looking a bit damp. Okay. It is looking it. Oh dear. It is looking a lot damp. It is very often. You can get these Dysons. It is looking a bit damp. It is looking, so I'm getting rid of all the looking dirt of this Dyson. Right, this is the dirt that we need to be, finished. So I'm going to finish all the dirt. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hopefully, we'll put it to dry for 24 hours. I'll get some nice sleep. Until the time comes. Then tomorrow, I'll be doing the next video tomorrow because I'm going to have to do it quicker because then I'll be testing my Dyson out tomorrow and it's going to make sure it goes really nice, really easy. All you have to do is to keep vacuum it every day. It is very good. It's a very good vacuum, but it just needs, and I need a nice clean recyclone. Oh dear, just yeah, you have to be very careful. You see this, guys? It is going to get cleaned, going very well. It is. Gonna wet. Then I'll get the hairdryer. Then I won't be doing this video. Okay. Yeah. So, letting it dry. Right. I'm gonna put it in the radiator because you have to wash this before and then to make it work again, guys. So, I'm going to get the towel to let it dry for at least about 24 hours. Got this set up. Now it's been ready. So after this, tomorrow, it was getting late because of this, the Dyson small ball allergy, which is the older one. We get the older version. So it is. It is. Now, I'm letting it dry for at least. So, that is it for now. I'm gonna. You see guys, it's now wet, so I'm gonna put it into the radiator to dry 24 hours. Right. So I'm gonna have to go now, guys, because I need to go. I've got to go now, guys. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.